Nagesh Karajagi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. So students, today we are going to learn something new. Yes, that is time. Today we are going to learn about the time. Yes, what is this time means? Time, there is a watch. Yes, from this watch we understand the time. Yes, but that time how we understand, today we are going to see that. But before that I want to ask you that why we use this time in our day to day life. Yes, हम अपने पूरे दिन में ये टाइम का यूज क्यों करते हैं? Yes, because your father has to go in time to the office, your mother has to work all the things in time, because you students, your father all will go for the work. Okay, your students will go to the school, but if we don't know this time, we can't work properly in that time. So we are today going to learn the time. So if we learn this time, we will be ready for going to school in time. Yeah, that today we will see a short video, and then later on we will see the detail of time.
Time. What is the time? The clock tells us the time. There are 1 to 12 numbers on the clock. Also, there are 2 hands on the face of the clock. The shorter hand is the hour hand, and the longer hand is the minute hand. For example, this clock is showing the time to be 3 o'clock. This clock shows it is 5 o'clock, and this one shows it is 2 o'clock.
So just now you saw the video of clock. What we saw in that? The clock tells us the time. Yes, what? The clock tells us the time. There are 1 to 12 numbers and 2 hands on the face. See now, what? The clock tells us the time. See here, I am having in my hand clock. Okay, here you can see the numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, here the numbers are there, but it is written in Roman. Okay, but here I will show you one more. Then you can understand properly the numbers. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got it everybody? Yes? So here just now I shown you the clock of teddy bear, and now I am showing you the simple clock. Yes, in this simple clock you can see that numbers are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As they have told, there are 1 to 12 numbers and 2 hands on the face of the clock. This is the face and 2 hands. This is one and this is the short hand and this is the long hand. Yes, and this one is extra, that he turns every time, he never stops. Okay, so in this way the shorter hand is the hour hand. Yes, the shorter hand is the hour hand. मीन्स ये जो छोटा रहता है, जो नंबर पे आता है, वो उतना टाइम बताता है. उसका काम है, शॉर्टर हैंड का काम कि टाइम बताना. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, ये उसका काम है बताने का. एंड द लॉन्गर हैंड इज द मिनट हैंड. ये लॉन्गर हैंड मिनट का काम करता है. जैसे जैसे ये आगे आगे आगे, ये पूरा 1 ऐसे राउंड होता है तो ये थोड़ा आगे हटता है. ओके, ऐसे करके जब ये आगे आगे ऐसे जाता है, ये टाइम हम लोग बोलते हैं 1 o'clock. ऐसे ये पूरा घूम के इधर आता है और ये छोटा वाला इधर रहता है, तो इट्स बिकम 2 o'clock. यस, व्हाट सी, दिस इज फेस ऑफ द क्लॉक. वी हैव हियर 12 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this 12 numbers, 2 hands are there. Yes, 2 hands. One is short hand, one is long hand. Why we say short hand and long hand? Because this is the short and this the second one is long. And this short hand, what he does? He shows us hours. Yes, he shows us hours. And this long hand do the work of minute. So see here. Now I can show you this properly. Yes. Now this is the short hand and this is the long hand. Why we say this long hand? Because see now, this and this, which is the long? Yes, this is the long hand. So we say this long hand. And whenever now see, if I keep on this one and like this, if I will keep on 12, it will be 1 o'clock. Got it? If this short hand will come on 2 and the long hand will come on 12, then the time is 2. Yes? And like this, if this come like this, yeah, when it is on this 2 and like this, little bit it comes down, and this also comes like this down, and he comes like this here, and now it comes on like this. So when it is 3. Why we told 3 o'clock? Because the short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 12. Like this, if I come, that short hand comes on 4 and the long hand is on 12. The times we have to say is 4 o'clock. Got it? See, once again, when it is on 1 o'clock, short hand is on 1 o'clock, we have to say 1 o'clock. When the short hand is on number 2, we have to say 2 o'clock. When it is on 3, we have to say 3 o'clock. And when it is on 4, we have to say 4 o'clock. And when it is on 5, we have to say 5 o'clock. See, in this all, this short hand, what we were doing? It was changing 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And when this long hand is on 12 and this is on like this 5th, we can say 5 o'clock. Okay? So got it everybody? This is short hand, this is long hand. Yes? And in this clock, we have 12 numbers from 1 to 12. So now here once again we will see that the clock tells us the time where are 1 to 12 numbers and 2 hands on the face of the clock. The shorter hand is the hour hand and the longer hand is the minute hand. So see here, just now practically we have seen 3, 5, 2. Yes, na? We have seen the practically. Yes, see now here what they have done. Long hand to the 12th number. Yes, and short hand to 3 numbers. So which time it is now? The time is 3. So they have written here 3. Now see here, same thing. You can see here the short hand is on 5. So here also I will bring that short hand on 5. Okay. And the long hand is on 12. So here 12. So what's the time now here? We can see in this clock. Yes, 5 o'clock. See now here short hand is on 2nd. Yes, 2. And the long hand is 12. So here what's the time? 2 o'clock. Got it everybody? In this way we are going to learn today. Now see here. The short hand is on 6 and the long hand is on 12. So what is the time here? Yes, 6 o'clock. You have to write 6.00. Next now, short hand is on 9. Long hand is on 12. So here 9 o'clock. Here short hand on 4 and long hand on 12. So 4 o'clock. See here. Yes, 10 and 12. So 10 o'clock. 7 on short hand on 7, long hand on 12. So 7 o'clock. Here short hand on 11 and long hand on 12. So here 11 o'clock. Got it? In this way we have to write. See the time properly. Where is the short hand, where is the long hand, and that we have to write properly. I will wait for a minute just to complete that. Come on the next page. So what here we have to do? See, just now we wrote the time. We saw the short hand and long hand and we wrote the time. But here what we have to do, see, what time do you do? These things, draw hands on the clock to show time. Yes. So here what they have told us, they have given here the clock, but inside shorthand and longhand is not there. That we have to draw. But here upside they have given. That time we have to see. WAKE, wake up time. When you wake up in the morning, yes, 7 o'clock. So here you have to draw like this shorthand, and here long hand. Yes, whenever you are drawing like this, you have to draw. Yes, arrow one. Okay. Now next, school time. Yes, at what time you go to your school? Yes, 8 o'clock. So shorthand on 8 and long hand on 12. So 8 o'clock. Now lunch time. Yes, when you go to school at 8 o'clock, you come at home at 12 o'clock. So here what the lunch time? Yes, 2 o'clock. You eat your food, yes, at 1 o'clock. Okay, so we will do 1 o'clock, no problem. Because you are hungry, morning you go to school and then you come and you are hungry, so you are eating, you have taking your lunch at 1 o'clock. So we wrote here 1 o'clock. Okay. Now the next, playtime. Yes, after waking up you get ready and then you go to school at 8 o'clock, and after coming from school at 12 o'clock you become ready, you sit and you eat your lunch at 1 o'clock. After doing lunch you sleep. Yes, okay. After that you wake up and go to play. What's the play time? Yes, 4 o'clock. So here you have to draw shorthand on 4 and long hand on 12. 4 to 5 you play. Okay. The next, HOMEWORK, homework time. What's your homework time? Yes, very good, 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock? Yes, okay. 5 o'clock you sit for your homework. So shorthand on 5 and long hand on 12. Yes, and after doing homework for a long time and then you will take the dinner. After taking your dinner, you go to your bed to sleep. Yes, you go for sleep at what time? 9 o'clock. So here you draw here 9 and here upside shorthand, long hand. Got it everybody? In this way we have to draw this shorthand and long hand. This will be the long hand like this and short means like this chota wala. Okay. So you do that. I will wait for a minute. So have you completed that? Yes. Remember that properly everything. That's shorthand means hour and long hand means it's a minute. It's go on turning. Okay. So today in this way we have learned the clock, shorthand, long hand, and what are the uses of long hand and shorthand. So you can practice at home. You can draw like this on your book or chart paper, and you can draw this shorthand, long hand, and you can draw these numbers also as an activity you can do, and you can practice so you can understand the time properly. Okay, thank you.